Hi Mashion, I'm Noor Xarmina, your reigning Miss Universe Pakistan, and today we're on set for a photo shoot I'm doing with a brand I really love. I've worked with them a few times, so I'm really glad you guys can join me on a work day for me. Today's shoot is running a bit late, so everyone's kind of tired on set. We've been up since 6 a.m. and it is almost 5 p.m. now, and we're halfway done, so it's gonna be a long day. There's gonna be a lot of coffee orders, but we'll get through it. This is the green room where a lot of the magic happens. And basically we have all of our styling stuff around. This is the jewelry. So at every photo shoot, they'll lay out like different jewelry and style us accordingly. And we have all these wonderful shoes. I hope they fit me. I have very long feet. These are some of the clothes we're gonna be wearing. I really hope I wear this one. I really like this one. This is our wonderful stylist on set. Say hi.
Hi, Mashion.
And this is our makeup artist, Ryan the Great. And this is my co-model for the day, Ikra. And this is our wonderful team. So I actually started modeling a long time ago in London. Then I went on to do my master's degree. Then I started working in venture capital. I did that for a few years in London, and I don't know, I always kind of wanted to have a more creative career. So I left everything and I went to drama school to see, if I have the acting thing in my genes. And yeah, that was like the best decision I ever made, because I just felt like I knew what I was doing for the first time in my life. I packed up my stuff and left London after 9 years and moved to Pakistan to become an actor. But when I got here, because I had modeling experience, I started getting a lot of modeling work, very fortunately. And it's actually through modeling that I met last year's Miss Pakistan. And she was like, you should apply to Miss Universe. And then that was like the last 8 months of my life. Miss Universe was probably the most challenging thing I've ever experienced in my career. It was like doing so many different jobs at the same time. I was just managing like my own training. I had to learn how to do my own hair and makeup. I had to find a stylist. I had to put together a whole wardrobe. I had to travel a lot, travel to get visas, to travel, to do training. It was crazy, but it was incredible. I met so many inspiring women, made so many friends. I mean, it's really special to represent your country. It's a really big responsibility, so I think I underestimated that. But when I was on stage in Mexico in front of all those people, it was so exciting, and I knew this is what I'm supposed to be doing. I've always wanted to be a performing artist. I think I found a new sense of confidence through participating in a beauty pageant. I didn't expect that. I didn't know anything about pageantry when I started. They did a good job of curating a really inclusive and diverse group of women who represented all kinds of beauty standards, which I love. Also, the physical training behind it is very rigorous. You guys see a walk, but actually there's months of training that goes into that. It's quite technical. I got a lot of comments online that why did we choose this girl to represent Pakistan? She has darker skin and funky hair. So you do kind of have to build a thick skin, but yeah, you get over that really fast. And I think actually the whole point of this is to break stereotypes, right? Hi Mashion, and now we are wrapping up the day. Thank you so much for joining me on a typical 9 to 5 workday, and I hope you enjoyed touring the studio with me, meeting my co-workers, and seeing a little BTS of what the life model looks like in Pakistan. So I will see you hopefully soon, and thanks again. Lots of love from Miss Universe Pakistan.